Hi. We're continuing today. If I can get reinforcements, we'll be doing the springs today too, but for right now we're going to do some tie rods, Pitman arm, idler arm. Also, let's just give a quick shout out. The truck got leveled. It got tow mirrors. And it got new headlights. So now we got some new wheels on the way. I don't give this thing enough credit, but this is my daily, so she's a unit. But let's get to it.
You do your exercise? Yep.
idler arm in. Gonna leave it loose for now, but you can see pretty self-explanatory. So pop nut loose, pop nut loose. I got the tie rod out just because it was in the way, and then I'm gonna tighten this down, and it's got new arms. It actually already came greased too. I have a They have a grease fitting on the bottom. A grease fitting on the bottom here. But they already greased them, so pretty solid. So I'm gonna switch all that out and then leave that loose for now. Put tie rod in place and then go work the other side for the Pitman arm and the same thing. So let's continue on. So we're completely buttoned up. Get the mounting arm back up, tighten down, tighten down. This is loose for now. I'm gonna leave it like that, and so we're gonna go do the other side now, so we can button that up. So let's get working on this end here. Alright, did much banging. Pitman arm is out. Loosened up. Sorry, yes, Pitman arm. So we're going to take this out. Tie rod's already loose. It's kind of stuck in there, so we're going to get that out and then replace all the parts, and then that finishes up all of this. So let's just get to it. Okay. Little update. So I had tie rods on backwards. So fixing that now. And then this goes here. Don't lose that. You know, I have the old nuts just in case. Okay. So I gotta do is just tighten down these tie rods. I'm gonna leave them loose for now, just here and then not here, because once this is in place, I can tie those in. But I want to leave them out. That way I'm not, you know, they're not incorrectly fastened and I got to undo and redo them. So, somebody's here. All right. I got to find, I don't know what I did with. The old ones. Somebody's here. Somebody's here. We'll tighten this down. The cotter pin in. A little more. There we go. Okay. Cotter pin on this side. Should be enough. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that cotter pin bent out. So everything's pretty much done at this point. All I got left to do now is, in terms of these parts, is just tighten a few things down that I can tighten at this time. You know, these cotter pins being one of the things that I can do. Pull that up. There we go. Okay. So this side's completely done. Tighten down, tighten down, tighten down. Tie rod in here. Tighten down. This tie rod here is tightened down. So we're gonna come over here again, and then we still need to tighten. We still need to do this cotter pin here. Let me stand you guys over here a little bit. So we're gonna get this cotter pin buttoned up. Truck on the move. Dump truck. Dump truck is on the move. Okay, done there. Now we're gonna tighten this down, and then we're gonna do that cotter pin. It's either 1 inch, yep. On or off? It's on. Been using hand tools for a lot of this today. Yep. Yep. And you're gonna just want to check where the hole is. Perfect. Cotter pin. Cotter pin in the hole. There it is on the other side. Oop. That's that, and the last thing I need to do is tighten this nut. Okay. Well, that's pretty much everything for right now. Now all this stuff is in. We're ready to go with that. Now it's just literally put the springs up, top ball joints on each side, and then start putting the remaining pieces back together. This thing's super close to going back down on the front end on its wheels. I'm going to end the episode here, and we'll pick up when we can put these springs in. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Goes a long way. And stay tuned for the next episode.